Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, I am Maggie and welcome. Today I am going to share with you how to make like garlic bread rolls made out of crescent rolls. I think you guys are really going to love them. They are cheesy and garlicky and so delicious. I cannot wait to share them with you. You guys know I love my crescent rolls recipes. Those are just like wonderful. It's such a great go-to. So I hope you guys enjoy.
You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. I'm shaking, I am picturing the worst in my mind. I cannot stand losing you. No, I will fight, 'cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try. Know what I am thinking, 'cause I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life, 'cause you're the best thing, best thing. You're the best thing that I've ever had. You're the best thing, the best thing. You're the best thing, 'cause you're the best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. Best thing that I've ever had. Best thing, best thing. You know that I'm the queen of overthinking. It's like we're done before we even started. So if this is the end now, baby, know that I gave it my all. I believe in us, I won't give up on you. I will be holding on for life. Hope you believe in us, please don't give up on me. At least give me a try, 'cause you're the best thing, the best thing.